Hi, one student asked me how to upload the data on Celonis, and I want to show you how to do so. So here's the email that I received to upload or log in onto Celonis. So click on login, and you will be taken to the place where you are going to log on. And actually, I logged on before, so it is taking me to a new place here. So what you can do is you can go to um, uh, process quick start. You go to quick start, and then here you can create your own place. For example, if you go here, create new space, and I'm going to click on data analysis, and you can choose whatever icon that you like to choose that represent your term project. I'm going to create a data space here, and then if you go down here, create custom analysis and CSV file, Google Sheets and XES file, and so forth. Let me demonstrate how to use a CSV file that we actually used for disco analysis, purchasing process. So I'm going to go to analyze your data rather than sample data. And here you can select a CSV file. You can either drop the file here or select file and go to um, purchasing example. Uh, this is from the previous module where we used the Disco. So I'm going to use this file, and then it is taking me to the next step where it shows all the columns that it includes. So if you are going to go with this file, you have to make sure what type of the column it is, what kind of data it is. And case ID is, I think, is numerical integer data. So I'm going to say it's integer. And start time, this is a date, and this one you have to be careful because sometimes time format can differ from each other. So before using this one in Excel or wherever it might be, you have to make the format consistent and then choose the file format. This one has year, 4-digit year, month, and date, and then hour and minutes, and then the seconds. So this one is shown here, so you can see all of them, and the system automatically picked it up. So this is good, and this is string file. This is again string file or text file, and roll also string file. So this is good. Click on next, and then it says you have to configure the file. So case ID is case ID column, so you have to make it sure that it is the case. Activity is this one. So at this point, I'm going to use this one as activity. If you want to analyze the role, then you can select role as activity later, or bring up a new space and then analyze this one as a role. Then, as you have done with Disco, you will see how role is changing or being affected by your process. So activity name, you did that. Timestamp, I want to choose start time as the timestamp. And then sorting is like, if you look at this information, it will say, it's like a timestamp, but is there any other identifier that gives you what kind of this data is, could be another time that shows. So it's additional information. At this point in this data set, we don't have it. So I'm going to go to next. And then it's going to, okay, I'm going to process the data and upload the data. Then it's going to be uploaded. Then you are ready to analyze the data yourself, just so you have been able to do so in the training videos. So it's taking a little bit time, and then it loaded now. Now I have this event data loaded, and process explorer is right here, event log. And then if you look at overview, throughput time details, rework rate, and event log, those things are shown right here. So you can change, say, the zoom, you can change so that you can see more activities, and also the path you can see, so you can make it full picture, and then you can display, not grouping it. You can see how it is flowing, the data. You can adjust the speed, and then you can look at other throughput time, or there's event status, or throughput rate, other things you will be able to analyze. Okay, this is how you are going to upload your data.